Hello everybody, it's Kadzo with Kazoe for Africa and welcome to my channel. Are you motivated? My goal this year is to get you all motivated because one thing I've been observing as I work with you through consultations is that for a lot of you, you receive the information, but you have to act. So hopefully this series will get you energized, will get you committed, and will get you going towards the process of making your dreams come true as you consider opportunities in the United States. So let's get right to it. This motivational series kicked off with the number one thing that you need to pay attention to, which is timeline. And then we went on and talked about the dreaded GRE and TOEFL scores and how you should approach that. Videos in the link below if you didn't watch those two videos. And today, what I'm going to quickly share with you is a little bit how you can get started with the main pieces of the application process. So stay tuned. The main pieces of the application are quite simple. The first and number one thing that you need to get together is the application. Your application is the most critical part of the process, and this is usually found either on the school's website or if they have mailed the information to you. So how should you go about answering those questions about yourself and really giving them information about who you are? And so my advice for you is just get started. Don't stress about it. Go to your computer right now, print that application, write as much as you need to know for them to really know you and about yourself. What USA universities are looking for passion. They're looking for somebody with goals. They're looking for somebody who can clearly let them know why they want to pursue an education in the United States. And so the application really is weighed heavily in the review process. Another thing that the application is used for is for your scholarships and for your assistantships. Have you ever noticed how some schools do not have a separate application when it comes to those opportunities? Some schools do, some schools do not. So as you really begin the process, put everything you can in that application to be able to sell yourself, your dreams, your ideals, and your goals. And then you know what? Either print it out, mail it in, and send it to the school, or open up an online account and click send. Just send it in. Another piece of the application is actually the application fee. So most universities will require you to produce an application fee. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about applying by November 15th of this year, 2019, so that you can begin your studies in the fall of 2020, again, timeline, because you're looking for an assistantship and a full scholarship, timeline is very important, then remember this, you will be expected to submit the application, which will go together with the application fee. Most application fees tend to be from anywhere from about $30 to probably $60 when you're looking at the master's to the PhD level. So hopefully this motivational tip, number 3, was useful for you as you consider and get ready and energized as you apply for opportunities in the United States universities. So thank you for watching, everybody. And remember, like I always say, life is full of opportunities and education is the till my next video. Bye, everybody.